All right, just before the launch, let's get you the announcement that has been made by ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. You can see the countdown, which is all set. The third development flight of the small satellite launch vehicle that will be taking place at exactly 9:17 a.m. The pictures that are now being shared are courtesy ISRO from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. And as part of the SSLV D3 EOS-08 mission, ISRO will be testing its small satellite launch vehicle and will be placing latest Earth observation satellite into the orbit. If this launch is successful, and we are hoping it will become the completing the development of the SSLV, which is ISRO's small lift launch vehicle. So the countdown, as it is expected, less than a minute to go. Let's get you the live updates.
Minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 5 seconds.
Normal.
Superb liftoff of SSLV D3 EOS-08 mission. Sleek rocket searing through the skies.
जी हाँ, यह सफलतापूर्वक उत्थापन SSLV D3 लॉन्च व्हीकल का
20 seconds.
और यह अपने उद्दिष्ट दिशा की ओर बढ़ चला है. सभी तंत्र सामान्य रूप से कार्य करते हुए.
Clear weather here in Sriharikota and a good visibility for the flying rocket.
Plus 40 seconds.
यह तीसरी उड़ान SSLV की अपनी विश्वसनीयता सिद्ध करते हुए यह प्रमोचन यान निकल चला है अपनी उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर.
The action time of SS1 is 115 seconds. Flex nozzle for pitch and yaw steering. Fin tip actuation for the passive roll control.
First stage performance normal.
यहाँ प्रथम चरण का निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य. इसका कार्यकाल लगभग 115 सेकंड का होगा. इस दौरान यह लगभग 2500 किलो न्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न करता हुआ यान को उद्दिष्ट दिशा की ओर ले जा रहा है.
Well, this has been a success as far as the pictures that are now coming in as ISRO that announced its latest Earth observation satellite and the launch that is now taking place, the mission which aims to finalize the development of SSLV, enabling it to become fully operational for future missions under the collaboration between Indian Industry and New Space India Limited, as the satellite launch that has just taken place exactly at 9:17 a.m. from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota.